What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. Our topic for today is all about how to use Tonkeeper wallet. So let's discover it by opening the Tonkeeper app. While we are in the Tonkeeper app, let's discuss sending by tapping on Send tab. Inside the tab, this is where you put the address to process the transaction on the Send tab. Remember, address is the most important thing in transactions for crypto and network. Either it's sending or receiving. Next, let's discuss the Receive tab. So tap on it. Like I said earlier, the address is the most important thing in the transaction. As you can see in the video, this is the address where if they ask for an address in Tonkeeper, just tap the copy button below the QR code to copy the address. Next, the Scan tab. This is the other way to get the address. That's why there is a QR code in the Receive tab, as you can see earlier in this video. Next, let's discuss the Swap tab. Tap on it. This is what you can see inside the Swap tab, where you can swap any token and Ton. To discover more and to see all tokens, just tap Select in the Receive section. Now let's discuss about the Buy and Sell tab by tapping on it. As you can see, we are in the Buy tab to buy, like for example, to buy Ton or to buy USD, as you can see in the video. To change it to Sell tab, just tap the Sell tab located at the top of the screen beside the Buy tab. Now let's go to the Stake tab by tapping on it. This is what's inside the Stake tab. Now let's tap the History tab located at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, this is where you can see the history of your transaction. Now let's go to the Browser tab located at the bottom right of the screen. In the Browser tab, you can see any types of exchange, like for example, this that I'm showing you on the screen. So now let's go back to the Wallet tab located at the bottom left of the screen. In the Wallet tab, tap Settings. While we are in the Settings tab, you can see more tab options like Backup, Tokens, Notifications, Currency, Battery, Security, Theme, Search, Language, and Address Update, which is up to you on how to set up your Tonkeeper app. You can discover more options by scrolling down. You can sign out of your wallet located at the bottom of the screen. You can add more wallets by tapping the Wallet option located at the top of the screen while you are in the Wallet tab. As you can see, there is an Add Wallet option located at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. That's how to use Tonkeeper wallet.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.